Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by ensuring Zabbix server and frontend are reachable. You need the web UI to create items. Once done, add a host for the website and assign either the server IP or DNS so checks have a target. Make sure to install the Zabbix agent only if you need internal metrics. Otherwise, prepare an HTTP agent or use Zabbix server for external checks. This saves time and clarifies which check type, agent versus HTTP, you will configure next. Now you create the actual HTTP checks. Choose the HTTP agent item or use simple web monitoring depending on your architecture. Enter the URL, method, and any authentication or custom headers, and then define expected status codes and a response substring to validate content. Next, set polling interval, retries, and timeout. Common values are 30-second timeout and 60-second interval, so checks balance load and timeliness. After saving the item, link it to a template so you can finish by creating triggers for HTTP failures, slow responses, and content mismatches, because triggers drive alerts and automation. Once triggers exist, create actions that notify teams by email, SMS, or webhook and include clear recovery messages to avoid alert noise. Make dashboards and graphs to visualize response time trends and add escalation rules for repeated outages. If something goes wrong, check the Zabbix server logs and the item's last log. Often a wrong URL, timeout, or proxy setting is the root cause. Fix that and retest.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.